Hi everyone, trying a little bit of a new series, gonna try to talk the best plays on the board here for the 15th. Do me a quick favor and like and subscribe and watch the video till the end to help out the channel, and let's get started. First play on the board is Apple. Here you can see we got the breakout of this trend line here and the level at 230.28, and you can see pre-market here we're getting some momentum to the upside. 233.40 level here, 237.23. So even if we did get the follow through from current price here, that's about 1.5%. And then once we break that level, that's the all-time high. So that tends to give stocks a little bit more momentum, and who knows where we could go. This is an all-time high. Then you're going to be in price discovery. Momentum looks good. RSI looks good. We're above the 50 line. Not overbought yet. Not even really that close to it at a 58.12. Again, this has a lot of room. I thought we were going to get the move here on the 30th after the big gap and rally. Ended up being a bit of a fake out, so do keep that in mind. But you can see we're just about at the gap fill, 234.74. And then once we start to push through here, I think we're going to get a bigger swing. You can also see this pretty solid consolidation, couple of fake out breakdowns. Markets came in and supported it, and now here it looks like we're going to get a little bit more push to the upside. So best play on the board, probably Apple going into today. Second up for me, we have Google. Again, you can see it's up about $1 pre-market. We broke this trend line here yesterday. We're touching that highly traded zone. In the pre-market, we are above it. My level here is 170.95. Do got the 144 as a little bit of resistance in there at 168.50. But if we get the move from here to the level, that's about 2%. And then who knows what happens from there. If it breaks that level, there's a bunch of room up to that next one here at 5% higher from there, which would be about 7 overall. You can also see these gaps on this fall, still have a lot of room to fill these gaps. So Alphabet kind of looks like a head and shoulders as well. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder here, holding that 200. Looks like this has a little bit more in it. 2% in the short term, maybe a little bit more in the medium term. And then your support level here is the trend. If this structure breaks in here, then you should be out of this trade, waiting to see what happens, because if it does break down from here, then you have a next support at about 2%. And if that area breaks, then you have about 8% down to this next low. And then lastly here, we do have XOP, which has fallen quite a bit in the after hours. You can see about a $3 move from 138.79 down to 135.50. My level is 135.07. You can also see this kind of consolidation of EMAs and SMAs. Got the 55.21 VWAP all sitting in the same kind of zone between 134.80 and 135.60, and that's where we are right now. If this zone holds, this could be your support area. Then you look for the move up here of about 4%. If this zone breaks, then you can look for a move down to the next level, which is about 5.5% lower. So critical zone here. If it holds, I do like it to push. This structure for me is bullish. So you got the breakout here, the retest continuation. We did reject from that 140.88 level. So this is key resistance in here. That's really twice now. So we rejected off it here and here. So this is a zone to watch. But right now I'd be watching 21 EMA as support and my level as support. And as long as this holds in here, we should be in good shape for another push. Could be an initial test of the 200. First time we've touched that was back here on October 7th. And before that, we hadn't touched it since the 1st of August. So this is definitely a bit of a retracement back to the upside. Kind of understand that this medium term is kind of a bearish structure because we were up around the 160.30 area and now we're in the 130s, but I do like this. You can see there is clear support down at 128. We did touch my lower level 124, and since then we've been bouncing each time we get a little bit of a down move. This is another down move. Is it going to bounce? Is it going to hold that higher low? If it does, I do like this, and maybe we even get a push to that 145 area, maybe even the trend. That could be interesting. But again, watch the critical zone. Super important. If it holds, we should be in good shape. Let me know down in the comment section if you like this style of video, if you're interested in any of these trades or any other stocks you'd like to get thrown in here. Otherwise, like and subscribe if you got any value out of this video, and make sure you hit the bell so you don't miss out on any future episodes. Of course, none of this is financial advice. This is all for entertainment purposes. Good luck in your trading and have a great day.